This afternoon let's take you through those changes then, and well, there are lots of changes from a team that lost to Morocco Swallows in their last outing, including the return, as I mentioned, of Justice Chabalala, and also a change in defense where Harinkame Modise comes in at full back. Craig Martin, the former Orlando Pirates man, joins in as well in the attack, and most importantly, between the sticks, Nigeria Kopo. What about the visitors? Orlando Pirates, Jose Rivero has named a largely unchanged side. In returns, the talismanic Patrick Maswanganye, the man who has been the conductor of Ezimnyamangekani. Chippa United now dancing past him, Merila Mufuken. What a run from the youngster here. A chance for Pirates to open the scoring. Oh, what a crucial block that was. A goal-saving block. Here comes Mufukeng again. Lobs something into the area, away. The first minute of the game. Oh, dances past Kongobe. And look at that, it's Mabasa. That is how close Mabasa came.
Now,
yet another goal here in the Nedbank Cup.
What he does, of course, he anticipates.
Will it be? Otto eyeing down. It's Kabelo Dlamini! Oh, he's added another one to the collection, and it's the perfect start for Orlando Pirates. Kabelo Dlamini with his second goal in the Nedbank Cup.
Who's going to take it? But it's the man who is in fine form. Plucked it. Really plucked it.
Bends it around the wall. Stanley Nwabali reduced to a stand and gate situation. Nothing you could do about it once it was past the wall.
I mean, if you look at how he bends it, so intentional in terms of what he wanted to do, and doesn't disappoint in terms of...
It's Porenpool. The idea was a good one. I think a few people might have thought that one when they saw the net ripple. Might have been gone. Dropping deep. Now the nice little ball over the top for Kwaiba to chase here. Finds it out to bring it under control. Danger, not good. Oh, there was a high boot in there. There was a high boot in there, and I think Hotto got caught. Fasani popping up on the right-hand side here. Oh, leaves the ball behind. Brother Mingani was there. Nobody this one. Now a chance there. Kick back here in all competitions. The Pirates come forward again. Mabasakoza Dlamini thought about a shot. Talent Dempata looking to... Take a look at this flowing move. Talk us through it, Brian Martin.
Good passing range. Look at the spaces. Look at the awareness as well. The point of reference being Mabasa, and at the same time laying it for his teammates as a shot on target placement there. Good goal on the left-hand side.
Oh, Nwabali gathers it at the second attempt. Bunyani are not natural fullbacks as Modise whips one in. Chippa will get it again. Floated into the box, arriving at the back post. Could be a chance. Sakoma Hike goes to the back post. The chain can't get something on it. Dlamini will clear it.
I think he committed it. He showed him the space that he should have attacked.
This is promising here. The cutback. The clearance from Oki. That pace now. As a man goes down, referee says play on. Still Chippa on attack, but showed too much of it there. Showed too much of it to the keeper. Did Gongobe. Touched away by Chain. Shot from range, it's Mahaula that puts a boot out.
I would want to matches. Chippa is not allowing them to do that.
It's a good ball in here. Chain under a bit of pressure from Evanga, and Dlamini now finds Maswanganye. Mufukeng is in space, can face his fullback again. Tricky feet! Couldn't bend it to the back post there. Was looking for that back post, but Chippa living dangerously. How they left him completely unmarked there.
The mark, he teases you. He makes you think he's going to go down the line. No, he doesn't. He cuts inside, quick thinking. good intention, just unlucky that the technique wasn't so precise.
Or rather for Pirates. Evanga booked for Chippa. Now, chance to fire one through the bodies. Straight at Chain. Well positioned was Sipa Chain. Get wide to Mufoke, and Cummins puts his body in the way there. 2 men on him now. He still picks out Mbata in the box. Mbata goes down, but
at the same time, still staying to their structure.
This is only the second. Oh, the referee waves play on. They stop playing the Chippa, and they've been punished. It's a brace for Kabela Zamini. They stop playing, looking for a foul. Nothing given, and Kabela Zamini punishes them.
Got punished for that. This is what is happening. Won the ball. Do they think it's out? Do they think it was a foul? Until the referee blows the whistle, you've got to play. Chabalala, justice. What was he thinking?
I don't know.
What was he thinking? The ball is not even out.
And
what was he thinking? Get punished there by Zamini in the end.
And that's
to the whistle.
That's the
all-out attack here. They need a goal as Chain gratefully gathers this one. The second semi-final takes place tomorrow. Mabasa couldn't get around Tabo Machele. Up here for Kaki. Options left and right. Goes left. Heavy touch from Evanga. So disappointing. That was a fantastic first time, 5 times. Oh, beautiful stuff there from Zamini. Now, problems here. Chance for Chippa to pull one back. Oh, I think the chance is gone. The opportunity is gone. Your first sight of goal is usually your best. Frustration. And who can blame it? Frustration for Bienvenue. To the back post, getting up well, there was Chabalala. Evanga was setting himself up there. Great defender from Pirates. There was a call for an offside.
Make it yours.
And they definitely more the ball than they did in the first half. Chance here. Nice, clever idea from Mabasa to play back into the path of Maswanganyi. Looking for his 4th goal in 4 matches in the season's Nedbank Cup. Now, Evanga bursting through. They've got one back to Chippa. They've got one back. It's Kambindu who makes up for the earlier missed half opportunity. Chippa have found a way back. Good thinking here from the keeper.
Good thinking. Route 1 misses the opportunity to clear the ball. The aggression of that man makes it all difficult. That's Evanga up against Makaula, and they had to pounce on it. They had to become predators, and they got that most important goal
in this one. The game is alive again thanks to the goal by Kambindu. The cross, Kambindu misses it. Oh, what a chance!
They are aggressive.
8 finals in the Nedbank Cup previously fall under Pirates in the PSL era. 4 wins. Short one taken by Maswanganyi. Now he gets one into the box! That is his first touch of the game. It's Kogi! It's Tabela Kogi, beg your pardon! Tabela Kogi applies!